Hi, welcome back. My name is Dr. Nurah Oseni. If you are joining me for the first time, welcome to our Annur Skincare Academy, where we discuss everything about safe and effective formulation. Today, we'll be looking at how to produce alcohol intermediate infusion. What is alcohol intermediate infusion? This is an oil infusion that requires the use of alcohol. It has an advantage over the plain infusion because alcohol is a solvent that is soluble in water. So whenever you add alcohol to your oil infusion, all the bioactives that are supposed to be soluble in water get dissolved in the alcohol. Then you take it to the next step and dissolve it in the oil. So it is a more concentrated form of infusion that has both oil soluble and water soluble ingredients. Now the question that comes to mind is, what happens to the alcohol? It's very simple. Alcohol has a boiling point of about 40 degrees. So by heating your oil at 40 degrees centigrade, either using a dehydrator, a water bath, or any temperature regulatory system, your ethanol gets to be evaporated and you have in your oil all the goodness of the herbs. Sounds beautiful, right? Now let's go into the lab and show you the step-by-step approach on how to formulate your ethanol intermediate infusion.
Quantity of ethanol into the bowl. It does not have to be measured, just enough to submerge the herb. It's important that you use only high-grade ethanol, 99% or 100% ethanol. After which, now we can add our herb and macreate. For today, we are using neem herb. Just add enough, also not measured. The more herb you have, the thicker and the more concentrated your infusion. You must macreate this herb very thoroughly to ensure complete extraction. Sometimes you can use a blender.
Oil. 24 hours later. See? Single, fold it. So this is double. I'll fold it again. So you can see this is what I'll be using.